Hey, what's going on, guys? I got this heavy duty garment rack and I'm getting ready to open it up. So I figured I would just let you see what's in the box along with me. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it open. It is fairly heavy also. So I'll go ahead and cut it open. The top of the box says not to use a knife and to be careful. So, but I'm going to obviously use my knife anyway, but carefully. So there it is, first peek in here. The bars. These are, I think, the side legs. They do feel sturdy already. See, there's and I have these decorative loops or whatever at the end. I'm going to take this out so you can see it a little closer. Um, so I got the chrome color here. We have the push locks for assembly, and this here. So I have the extension. Let's tear this a little bit. Has the extension bars that you can see. That's what these are. And that's the other side of the extension bars. It does come with a hardware pack. And grab my knife again and open it to see what's in here. I believe these are probably the wheels. Yep, so here's the casters. Let me check these out. Um, they're smooth. They feel pretty nice. They do have brakes on them. At least let me see. So two of the casters have brakes. Two of them do not have the brakes. And then this is pretty nice and convenient, I guess. Comes with a pair of gloves. And there's the rest of the bars. So I'm just gonna flip these so they're kind of strapped together. And there's kind of, I believe, what would be the wire shelves there. So and the rest of the frame itself, and another hardware pack with some washers and nuts and a wrench. So I'll do another video of the assembly, and then I'll do another video to let you know overall what I think about it after I have a chance to use it for a little while.